Make a Royal Rhubarb Coffee Cake that will make your taste buds sing. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly special recipe to share with you. Get ready to indulge in the heavenly flavors of our Royal Rhubarb Coffee Cake. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tangy, making it an irresistible treat. So, grab your apron, preheat your oven, and let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sour cream. For the rhubarb layer: 2 cups rhubarb, diced, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, chilled and cubed, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing just until combined. In a separate bowl, toss the diced rhubarb with the granulated sugar and cinnamon until well coated. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared pan. Top with the rhubarb mixture, spreading it evenly. Spoon the remaining cake batter over the rhubarb layer and smooth the top. To make the streusel topping, combine the flour, granulated sugar, chilled cubed butter, and ground cinnamon in a bowl. Use your fingertips or a pastry cutter to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel evenly over the cake batter. Bake the coffee cake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Slice and serve the Royal Rhubarb Coffee Cake. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this delightful recipe for our Royal Rhubarb Coffee Cake. If you gave it a try, don't forget to let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Remember, the full recipe is available in the video description below. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.